Hey beauties, your girl Dimepiece back with another beauty tutorial with Fashion Source Wig Collection's HT Patra unit. This unit takes little to no work at all to install, and you're going to find out later in this video why. Here's how it comes packaged, so you know exactly what to look for when you visit your local beauty supply store. It is safely secured and packaged. You can use your packaging as well to take your unit on the go, and on the back it shows you how you can keep up with Fashion Source wigs and different ways that you can style and care for your unit. So let's take it outside the box. And you know, one of my favorite things about Fashion Source Wig Collection and their units, it comes with an info tag that you can keep, shows you how to take care of your unit for it to last a very long time. All right, so let's go ahead and remove the remaining of the packaging. And yes, this texture can take high heat. HT stands for high temperature, and yes, it can take up to 360 degrees of heat, so this fiber is curling iron safe. Feel free to straighten, curl, and style as you wish. And I love how this texture is super natural. It feels and can be styled just like human hair. And yeah, you don't need scissors. Yeah, so let's go ahead and put them away. This unit doesn't come with lace. It comes ready to install. HT Patra is definitely for the beauty on the go with a busy schedule. Nope, no lace. So it's ready to put on. So let's go ahead and install. You'll see here that it has a natural skin top middle part, so it looks like the hair is coming right out your scalp. And no need to pluck. Of course, if you like, you can, but the unit pretty much comes ready to put on and give you that natural look. And beauties, this unit's not going anywhere because it comes with combs and adjustable straps for secure and comfortable fit. Alright beauties, so we are ready to install our HT Patra unit. So I like to center my unit from the center comb, top and bottom, and I like to install from the back. And there we are. We are ready to go with our HT Patra unit. Instantly looking natural, no need to customize, no need to pluck, just put it on. Beautiful blowout texture, can be styled, and even curling iron safe, can take up to 360 degrees of heat. I'm wearing color 1B, but this unit comes in a variety of colors. HT Patra unit from Fashion Source Wig Collection. And beauties, that's pretty much it. We are done. HT Patra unit from Fashion Source Wig Collection. This unit takes little to no work at all to install because it doesn't come with lace, so no need for cutting or customizing, and it comes with a natural skin top middle part. So let's go beauties, get your HT Patra unit from Fashion Source Wig Collection today at your local beauty supply store. In the meantime, be sure to follow Fashion Source Wig Collection at FS_wigs and their sister brand at Rasa Free Braid. Be sure to like, comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. And of course, follow me at DJ Dimepiece. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.